Hello, beautiful people of this beautiful planet. Welcome to the channel Twin Flame Union. And this is a channeling video. And in this video, I would like to say to everyone who's listening that, first of all, this is for those divine feminines who started the journey in 2009 and 2010. Reason being, 2009 and 2010 is the time when actually the twin flame energies or the twin flame relationships started appearing on planet Earth. This was the time when the divine decided that the twin flame journey would be put on the planet Earth, and very high power, very pure souls are going to be in this journey. But they have to be, made ready for the union. Now, a lot of divine feminines who started this journey in 2009 were living a very settled life. They were probably into jobs, they were financially settled, they were in relationships, they were in relationships where the commitment was very serious. It was not like time pass or something. Their whole life changed after they got into the twin flame journey. Everything changed. And in one of my previous video, I have mentioned the reason why the divine feminines got into the twin flame journey, and also the divine masculines, because these were the souls who were not ready with regular things, who were not ready with what is normal for the whole world. These were the people who refused to accept everything on the face value, even though they had everything. They had literally everything that anyone could ask for, the best job, the best family support was there, and from the materialistic point of view and from the sansara point of view, they had everything. But deep within their heart, they knew that this is not enough. This is not the real deal. They knew it. They could have chosen to take it, and then the journey would have gone into a different direction. Then obviously they would have done different things. But because they chose something so difficult and so real, then obviously the universe questioned them again and again before they actually jumped into it. They were probably sent very attractive person in their life, they were probably sent very attractive money making deals, or they were sent some great options to be recognized, or many things were thrown at them, but they never picked it, they never chose it. They said very clearly to themselves and to the angels, to their guides, that I don't want this. I want the real deal, and I don't care. I don't care. So obviously through the dreams and through many other things, the angels and the guides were connecting with them, contacting them, and there were obviously some in physical world also who were taking care of them. But after 2009 and 10, life changed completely for these divine feminines. So this channeling is specifically for them because they have worked a lot already. So you can count the years from 2009 to 2020. It's 11 years. So they have not only gone through 7 years or 6 years or 4 years or 5 years. They have gone through 11 years of so much inner work. So this is the channeling specifically for them. And in this channeling, the divine feminine collective is not talking, the divine masculine is not talking. It is the direct message from the universe. So whosoever has been in this journey for all these years, this is specifically for them. And you would be, if you resonate with it, then obviously you go ahead. But if you don't resonate with it, then this is not for you then in that case. But you can still listen to it, you can still go through it, that's not a problem. And if there's something which is meant for you also in this, then you will definitely grasp it and make the most of it. So these divine feminines have worked very hard on themselves, and what the divine is telling me, that the message that has been sent out for these divine feminines specifically is that they are the ones who always had the power of attraction. They always knew it, and they had practiced it in their lives. Okay, they had manifested many things before, and after 2009 and 10, obviously things changed. Things were different, they were not the same, they were not manifesting in the same way, they were not getting the things they wanted in the same way, but they were still getting a lot of support in terms of inner work. So the universe's main goal, main aim was to help them with the inner work as much as they can, as much as they can grasp. So they, whenever they needed money for inner work, say they wanted to do a trip to some country or to some state, they wanted to, spend time alone in solitude for 3 months or 4 months or 5 months, and they needed the money, the finances for that, the universe sent it to these divine feminines. So during those things, during those times, they manifested beautifully. And the divine feminines know that, whosoever will resonate with it. But when they wanted things to work out with in their twin flame journey, like the divine masculine, they felt powerless, they felt helpless, they felt broken down. But as I have said before also in some other video, that the negatives are equally needed and important as much as the positives, because this journey is not about negative and positive. This journey is aimed to singularity, which is beyond negativity and positivity as well. So the universe is saying that these divine feminines, magic, magic of attraction, magic, and you can actually relate attraction in the way, when you charm the opposite party also, like the opposite sex also. So these divine feminines specifically always had that power, that charisma, that appeal, that pleasantness, that delightfulness in them, and they never had dearth of men. They were attracting like really charming, good looking, handsome, rich men all the time before they chose this journey also. And even after the journey, they met many karmics. And like I've been saying again and again, this is specifically for people who started the journey in 2009 and 10. So this applies to them. So they attracted many karmics, and many, you can say, baits were thrown at them, but they did not choose those things. They were very, very focused, and they had to go through a lot of hardships. So now the universe is giving an answer to even the divine masculine, and even the world, the world who had looked down upon them, the world who had thought they are stupid and they're useless, and God knows what they're doing, God knows where they're headed to, why you're not getting married. The whole their society, their community questioned them. What are you doing sitting alone? Where are you going to? Why do you need solitude? Because these are very high vibrating souls that I'm talking about, who specifically came on this planet to do some important work. Other than the twin flame journey, they also have so many goals and purposes for the planet. And major goal obviously for them was to find their way back home. So the people were also questioning them, society was questioning them, the families were questioning them, and the relationship they were getting into were also being, they were questioning them. And these, specifically these people, also had a false twin flame experience. So that relationship was extremely intense and very draining. So now the universe is saying that, you always had the art of attraction, you always had the magic. Not even the word art is being used, the word magic is being used. So these are all magnificent master souls, master creators, magicians, who always knew how to charm people, into making them do things for them, but they did not use it. Okay, they are being compared, and this is one of the most beautiful and very powerful channeling that I am actually sharing with you all. So the universe is saying that their eyes are full of stars, and everyone is, like bewitched by them. Bewitched, the word bewitched is being popping up. Fascination, they are a fascination. They are, such amazing, pleasing souls. And now the universe is saying that, who is here? Who is here? Look who's here. Look who's here. This amazing person is here. So in 2009, and I'm getting goosebumps when I'm saying this, in 2009 and 10, obviously the divine feminines after that went through a lot of broken relationships,